Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to along to a daily vlog, almost daily vlog. I'm doing the intro on it today. So how you all been? Hope you've all had good weekends. Monday today, so we've got the new rollover of everything that's coming on in the workshop. Let's run through exactly what we got going on. So we got this Mark 2.5 in here. It's in for a 5-speed box and a couple of other things. This is the one that we had an AC compressor noise with. I've now got delivery today of the Mark II compressor for it, so should be able to get that sorted out. We've got let's have a look. So we've got sales one back from the paint shop, which needs putting back together. That's it. We seem to have a lot more cars, but we've got more for sale now, so we have more cars in the car park. They need to go all along the back row. I've got to start using the track car soon. I'll tell you about that maybe in the next videos in the coming weeks. We've now got this one back, so this is another one we've got for sale now. It's a black 37,000 miles, really clean, 6995. It's got its manual windows. Yeah, nothing fancy on it, but just a good Mark 1. So we've got this one's in for near side sill and arch and an underseal and a couple of other bits and pieces. Why did we have to keep this inside? Oh, the roof leaks. Is it in for a roof? Oh, maybe it leaks in a rainbow or something. Anyway, all good. How you doing, Ash? I'm alright. Let's go and see Roy. Roy, how's it going?
Not bad.
You're not going to splash any of this stuff in your eye again, are you?
No. Definitely that stung that one.
Yeah, I imagine. I was let me get this right. I was wiping some small amount of mould off our bathroom ceiling at the weekend, and I got a load of bleach in my eye.
Yeah, that's never good.
But it was watered down, but it was lucky. It wasn't too bad.
Yeah, that's never good.
So
Busy, mate.
So Grant started cutting this one open, didn't he?
He did.
So I don't think... No, there was no videos done of this.
No videos done. So this one's in for both rear seals and arches, inner seals and seal in plates. The inner arch is all still intact, so we're using them again.
Oh, that's good.
I need to replace them.
That's a bonus when it's like that.
Oh, definitely.
It's not that I've done it for quite a while,
No.
but it was always... it's the one jobs I hate.
Yeah, you don't like the
inner arch repairs, yeah.
Yeah, you don't like doing the
So you're just slapping the zinc primer on there.
Yeah, it's giving it a good coat of zinc primer. And then let that dry and then go and tackle the other side, which is all cut open.
Yeah.
I've just got to cut some holes in some panels and then weld them in. So yeah, I should hopefully Tuesday, Wednesday.
Have you got the same the other side as well?
Yeah, I'll have it. It'll all be finished by Wednesday.
Oh yeah, you're all cut open, aren't you?
Yeah, cut open.
That's all good. So both arches, rear seals. What else was on the list? Was there anything else?
I don't think there is anything else on the list.
And then just get it off the paint.
Just seals and arches.
Yeah.
It can cover gas, which Grant done the other week.
Alright.
So that's all been done. So it's literally metal work, paint, and then customer cover back.
So might see one more video on this before it goes to paint.
Yeah.
Tomorrow. And then see what happens. Cool.
Probably have one side welded up tomorrow.
Cheers, Roy.
No worries. Bye.
Bye bye. Right, Ash.
Alright.
Yeah, what's going on?
Taking the door off.
taking it off?
Yeah.
Why's that?
So I can get into the door shut.
Oh,
Get the
right.
rest of the seal cut off.
How's this gone then?
Yeah, it's alright. I think the last video I was just starting to cut it open, so
Let's have a look then. Is it bad?
most of it's chopped out now.
Oh yeah, it was pretty bad if that's all had to be welded in there. What's the story like at the back? The norm bad?
Yeah, it's the only extra bit is really this bit completely shot, so I'm going to have to rebuild that from
That's an
scratch.
awkward panel, that isn't it?
Yeah, because it's sort of this bit here, it just curves around, and then this bit here is square, and then it comes.
I think
in
that's
and
one.
out
That's
there,
one
and
more
it's-
panel we want to try and probably hopefully get made. So you just cut this bit out and then
Yeah,
it goes in.
At the moment, you can't really make that up out of one panel. You have to make it up out of several, because it changes. The bottom of it changes from square to curved,
yeah.
and it curves in here and here, and the bit at the bottom does the same thing. It steps in, so it's quite complicated to make. But done all the sill to floor pan,
Yeah.
in upright, front jacking point, there's a bulkhead repair as well. I've done up the front. Just getting it off so I can get the sill lined up and then sort of work out, get everything lined up at the back here correctly.
You'll be all done on that tomorrow, then, won't you, for the next video?
That should be 4:30, I'll be done by 5.
Alright then. I'll see you later. So I have been today working on I haven't got much done today actually. Well, I was getting a car stripped for paint this morning and I've been doing some other bits, so I'm doing chassis rails at the moment on this supercharged one. So I've got it all cut open. You can see that they're just toast. Just gone. Just going to take that out. I've covered the tops up, the in and outs, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to take it out at the moment. It sort of is in my way and it isn't. So I will see how I get on with that. Let's go and check Grant out. Right, Grant?
Alright.
What are you doing on the floor?
I know my place.
So what are you doing on this then? This
This came for.
so this car last week came in for ABS sensor, which we got sorted, MOT, and a couple of other bits and pieces. didn't it?
Brakes, new disc and pads all round, and one new caliper.
I'm going to try and chop your head so you just got a head just at the bottom of the screen. So yeah, it went for an MOT and then it failed on some welding. Shock horror. So Grant's just about to get it up, and then can we get it up quickly? Just have a look. See what? Oh, you're a bit far away from. That's all right. I think I'll be able to. I think I can go and see. So basically, really minor bits, but there, and another bit on the underside. So it's seals and I don't know. Is it both sides?
Yeah, both sides.
That's probably going to turn into. I'll come down. That's probably going to turn into like seals and probably both inners and stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll see what happens when we cut it open.
Fingers crossed. We'll see.
Cool. All right then.
Alright.
Yeah.
There it is.
Cheers, Grant. That's the workshop all done. That's what's happening.
Yeah, we're going
Gareth's on the phone. Ollie's making himself look busy. Right. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying all these new vlogs that we're doing. A little bit less stressful on me not doing them all the time. So, but I do actually prefer being in charge of the camera rather than being the camera poked at me still. But there you go. All's good. See you on the next one. Have a good evening, morning, afternoon, night time, whenever you're watching this. See you on the next one.